welcome back to the Playful Promises YouTube channel, where we are all about self-confidence, expression, and of course, lingerie. I'm your host and a lingerie enthusiast, Satara, aka Bust Bestie, and today we're going to be diving into a topic that's both exciting and educational: a beginner's guide to impact play. Before we begin, just remember that safety, consent, and communication is key to any form of play. Let's get started, shall we? Now, impact play is a form of BDSM that involves striking or spanking as a form of pleasure. It's all about consensual power exchange that can add an extra layer of spice in the bedroom. Whether you're curious or ready to dip your toe into impact play, I'm here to guide you. First things first, let's create the right atmosphere for impact play. Set the mood with some soft lighting, some scented candles, or even some sensual music. So just remember, it's all about creating a safe and comfortable environment for you and your partner. Consent is absolutely non-negotiable before you try impact play. It's also great to set boundaries and to establish a safe word first. That word before spoken immediately stops the play. Trust me, it's essential for pleasure and respectful experiences. Now, let's talk toys. There's a wide range of options for impact play, and it's important that you choose for your preferences. You can start with your hands for a more intimate touch, or you can explore a variety of tools such as floggers, paddles, or even grips. Remember to start slow and build your collection from there. When it comes to impact play, it is important to start slowly, especially if you're a beginner. You can start with light taps or gentle strokes and then work up the intensity based off of what you and your partner are comfortable with. Remember, communication is key here. Remember to continuously check in with your partner as you go along. Let's talk about target zones and safety. Avoid striking sensitive areas such as your lower back, your neck, your spine, or your head. Focus on fleshy areas such as the butt or the upper thigh. Additionally, be mindful of your partner's physical condition, whether they have pre-existing injuries or any medical conditions. Aftercare is just as important as the play itself. After impact play, be sure to engage in some loving and caring aftercare. This could include cuddling, some sensual massage, or even just checking in with each other. Remember that impact play can be intense, so be sure to take care of each other after. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to impact play. Remember that exploring new experiences should always be safe, consensual, and fun. If you have any other questions or need further guidance, be sure to pop it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.